if your CIBC credit card is locked and you need to use it again quickly. This video will show you exactly how to unlock it in just a few steps using the CIBC app. We will walk through where to find your card, how to unlock it, and how to complete the identity verification process so your card is active again. First, open the CIBC mobile app on your phone and log in securely. Once you are inside, you will land on your main dashboard. Here, you will typically see your checking account, savings account, and your credit card listed. Now scroll or look carefully until you find the specific credit card you want to unlock. On the card screen, look for an option that says Unlock My Card. If your card is currently locked, this option should appear clearly. Tap on Unlock My Card to begin the process. A quick note here, if you do not see this option, double check that you are on the correct card or that the card is actually locked. Sometimes the button only appears when a lock is active. Next, CIBC will ask you to verify your identity before unlocking the card. This is a normal security step to protect your account. You will usually be given a couple of options. The most common one is a notification sent to your registered device or an email verification link. In some cases, you may also see an option to receive a text message code. If you do not see the option you want, tap Send Code another way. To view additional verification methods, choose the method that works best for you, then tap Send. Now check your phone or email for the verification code. Once you receive it, go back to the CIBC app and enter the code into the field provided. After entering the code, press Next to continue. Make sure you type the code exactly as shown. A common mistake here is entering an expired code, so if it takes too long, just request a new one. If everything is correct, the app will confirm that your identity has been verified. At this point, your credit card will be successfully unlocked and ready to use again immediately. You can now go back to your card screen and confirm that the lock status has been removed. A couple of quick tips to avoid issues here. First, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Older versions can sometimes hide or misplace options. Second, make sure you have a stable internet connection while doing the process, since verification steps can fail if the connection drops. And finally, always double check that you are using the correct registered email or device, since that is where the verification code will be sent. And that is it. Your CIBC credit card is now unlocked and ready for transactions again. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials like this one.